Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. As most of you know, I'm a gamer at heart. So this video may sound strange to some but familiar to others, especially my long-time subscribers. And if you wish to subscribe, please do so for my gaming videos. Dog videos are my side hobby for now. So this pandemic does strange things to people. One day Cynthia has decided to bring home a puppy. Long story short, I'm stuck with this puppy through many seasons or leaks. Cynthia has named him Bailey. In this video, I'd like to share with you Bailey's first experience with a stuffed corn toy. Spoiler alert, it was a great success. I'm sharing with you my recipe too in case you too have a Pomsky or a puppy. And for those who find my accent strange, you can refer to the transcript in the description of the video. For those who are not familiar with the dog breed Pomsky, it is a hybrid class. 10-point talent system spread between a Pomeranian tree and a Husky tree. Some Pomsky are spec'd as 70-30 looking more like a miniature Husky, and some spec as 30-70 which is more like a Pomeranian. As for Bailey, he is too early to tell as he is only 6 months old. Time will tell, please stay tuned. For me, I suspect he's more or less like a 50-50 hybrid. What I do know is that Bailey is very high in agility. He springs really fast, super playful, and has a very high DPS. Bailey destroys toys. He has destroyed rare quality corn which is blue in color. And I've skipped the red unit quality because even with black legendary quality, he can chew through it. At times I think, why spend money buying toys for Bailey? He chew through slippers and sponge and derive the same level of satisfaction. Much cheaper. Having spent too much gold on Bailey's toys, I've come to the realization that I need a solution. One that can engage him for hours with something that he doesn't destroy in minutes. A stuffed corn toy. It was my first time stuffing a corn toy, and it was Bailey's first encounter with a stuffed extreme corn toy. Now here's a recipe that I'm sharing with you so that you too can craft your very own stuffed corn toy for your Pomsky or puppy. To make 5 servings of yummy stuffed corn filling, I first peeled and cut 7 grams of Japanese sweet potatoes into 1-inch thick cubes. Now you could of course cook more for your own consumption. Then I steamed the sweet potato cube for over a slow fire for half an hour. By then the sweet potatoes should be soft and nice, good for human consumption and good for dogs. Mash them well using a spatula. Add 1 gram of frozen mixed vegetable and half a gram of kibble onto the mashed sweet potato. Stuff that into the extreme corn toy. Now do leave a little bit of space because you would like to seal it with a teaspoon of Adam's 100% natural peanut butter. You can use any peanut butter of course, but please make sure there's no xylitol as it is toxic to your canine friends. Wrap the stuffed corn toy and put it into the freezer. As for the rest of the filling, wrap it up and put it in the fridge for future use. If you are making extra mashed potatoes for your own consumption, please do label the food so that your family member will not eat the one with the kibbles. You don't want them to spring as fast as Bailey and chew as hard as Bailey. As it was the first time Bailey tried to tackle a stuffed corn toy, I left it inside the freezer for 3.5 hours. But if you wish to lengthen the playing time, you could extend the freezing period up to 6 hours. As you can see in this video, Bailey is having a great time with the stuffed corn toy. He has spent more than 75 minutes playing with the toy, and that is 75 minutes of quiet time for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bailey and I will see you soon, and I shall leave the camera on in case you wish to see more. For now, see you. Bye.